Stop. Do you actually think your smart speaker is secretly plotting world domination? That's what Hollywood wants you to believe. But here's what's actually insane. 83% of people think AI can think like a human right now. But guess what? Not a single AI on Earth has passed a test for self-awareness. We are getting this completely wrong. So stick around, because we are about to destroy the 10 biggest AI myths you probably believe are true. Trust me, number 7 completely flips the script on your future job, so you are not gonna want to miss it. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what's real and what's just Hollywood hype. But first, what is artificial intelligence anyway? Think of AI like a super fast librarian who's memorized every single book in the world's biggest library. When you ask a question, they don't actually know the answer. They just flip through their mental catalog at lightning speed and find the most relevant information to piece together a response. They're not thinking or understanding like you do. They're just incredibly good at finding and combining the right pieces of information. When ChatGPT writes you a poem or answers your question, it's doing exactly this, racing through millions of examples it's read and putting together the best response. Keep this in mind, because it's going to help you see through all the myths we're about to bust today. First myth we're busting, the idea that AI has real thoughts, feelings, or even a soul. That is completely wrong, not even close. Today's most powerful AIs are basically just supercharged prediction machines. They are incredible at recognizing patterns and mountains of data, but that's it. They have zero inner life. They don't get the Monday blues or have their own secret plans. They calculate, they don't think. They analyze, they don't feel empathy. If you stop the data, their mind just stops. Human thinking needs consciousness and real experiences. Stuff these AIs have none. They are like the world's craziest autocorrect, not a digital brain. It's a powerful tool, not a new life form. You've all seen the crazy headlines. Robots are coming for your job. And yeah, it's true that AI is changing things, but the idea that it will cause insane unemployment is a massive overstatement. One forecast says automation could affect 30% of work hours by 2030. But here's the secret. New jobs are being created just as fast, jobs we couldn't even imagine 10 years ago. We literally need people to be prompt engineers, AI trainers, AI ethicists, and even people to repair the robots. Think about it. ATMs didn't get rid of bank tellers. They moved them from just counting cash to more important jobs like helping customers with financial plans. It's the same thing all over again. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to give you superpowers, freeing you up to do the creative, big-brain stuff that only humans can do. The future isn't you versus AI. It's you with AI. If only. The myth that AI is always perfect and unbiased is one of the most dangerous ones. I'll be blunt. Garbage in, garbage out. If you train an AI on 20 years of biased hiring data, it will learn to be biased. The AI isn't born biased. It just copies the biases in the human data we feed it. Researchers at MIT found a facial recognition AI that failed 34% of the time on darker-skinned women versus less than 1% on light-skinned men. That's a data problem, not a tech problem. Blind faith in AI is dangerous. It masks human bias with code. An AI is just a mirror. If you don't like the reflection, the problem isn't the mirror. Sci-fi movies want you to believe that one giant AI will cure cancer, write a symphony, and bake a perfect cake all at once. Reality check, that is a completely false fantasy. An AI that is a god at chess cannot suddenly start trading stocks. It would have to be completely retrained from zero. The AI we have today has narrow intelligence. That means it's amazing at one specific task, like recognizing a picture or playing a game. General intelligence, the kind humans have, where we can learn and do almost anything, is still a super distant dream for AI. It's like having a team of the world's best specialists, but none of them can do anyone else's job. The media loves to say AI learned on its own, like it's some rebellious teenager. That's cute, but it's totally misleading. Yes, AI can get better with more data, but the process is completely controlled by humans. Engineers build the AI, choose how it learns, feed it the data, push the start button, and then watch it like a hawk. If an AI drone goes off course, there's a human-made kill switch to stop it. We set the goal, we set the rules, and we can pull the plug at any second. The idea of an AI running wild is from sci-fi movies, not the real world. It's a tool, and we are the ones in control. ChatGPT got all the attention, and it's amazing. But saying all of AI is just ChatGPT is like saying the entire internet is just TikTok. It's a tiny piece of a giant world. AI also predicts your weather, finds the fastest route for your Uber, stops credit card fraud in less than a second, and even helps steer Mars rovers millions of miles from Earth. Generative AI is just one branch of a huge tree. Boiling it all down to just chatbots means you're missing out on all the other incredible ways AI is already running in the background of your life every single day. The next myth is one that artists, writers, and designers are all terrified of. AI is coming to kill your creativity. But here's the crazy part. Surveys show the exact opposite is happening. One recent report found that 40% of creatives say AI tools actually help them work more efficiently and achieve better results. Instead of replacing artists, AI is becoming a powerful creative partner. AI can handle the boring, repetitive parts of a job like editing thousands of photos or creating basic layouts, freeing up human artists to focus on the big ideas, the emotional stories, and the unique style that only a person can bring. It's like a brainstorming partner that never gets tired, and over half of artists using these tools feel their own input is the fundamental part of their final artwork. AI can generate 1,000 images, but it takes a human to find the one with soul. Creativity isn't dead. It's just got a massive upgrade. Headlines scream, AI discovers new antibiotic, making it sound like a robot overlord is making big decisions. That's pure clickbait. It erases the humans who did all the hard work. The real story is, a team of brilliant scientists used AI as a tool to search through billions of options insanely fast. The AI made the suggestions, the human did the real-world lab work, testing, and had the final say. AI has no goals. It doesn't just wake up and decide to cure a disease. Humans use AI to achieve their goals. The AI is the co-pilot, not the captain of the ship. This myth comes from the fear that AI will be better than us at everything. But in every single field, we're seeing that humans with AI beats AI alone every time. Take skin cancer. An AI can spot it on a scan with insane accuracy, but the doctor is still the one who confirms it, talks to the patient with empathy, and provides that human touch. The winning formula is human judgment mixed with machine speed. It's like having a super calculator that also learns, but it still needs your common sense and your creativity to tell it what to do. AI doesn't make you obsolete. It enhances your skills. This last myth is a big one, especially if you're an entrepreneur. AI is only for giant corporations with billion-dollar budgets. That might have been true 5 years ago, but today, it's completely false. The reality is, a wave of affordable AI tools is leveling the playfield. A huge 68% of small business owners now say they're already using AI. You don't need a team of data scientists anymore. Take Ziwo, for instance. We're bringing enterprise-level AI directly to businesses of all sizes. Our AI solution empowers your business by transforming how you handle customers. We provide intelligent call summaries, customer emotion detection, call translation, and deep insights into customer behavior. These features don't replace your agents, they supercharge them. After each call, your agents get a detailed emotional insight about the customer they spoke with, comprehensive conversation summaries, and coaching opportunities that help them deliver even better service next time. We also offer AI chatbots that can handle routine inquiries independently, freeing up your human agents to focus on complex customer needs that require that human touch. This means whether you're a startup or an established company, you can deliver the same quality customer experience as the Fortune 500. Your team gets the insights they need to focus on what truly matters, while AI handles the analysis and automation. Want to see how Ziwo's AI can transform your business? Links in the description. So, the next time someone tells you AI thinks for itself, feels emotions, or is coming to steal your job, you will have the facts. You can explain that AI is an incredible tool, an amazing assistant, and a powerful way to help humans do amazing things. But it is not our new overlord. Use it, check on it, make it better, and build it into our world the right way. But never put it on a pedestal. If these myth-busting facts opened your eyes, smash that like button so the algorithm, the AI we just talked about, shows this to more people out there. Did I miss a crazy AI myth you've heard? Drop it in the comments below. I reply to good ideas faster than a GPU running hot. Let's keep this conversation going and figure out AI together. Now go out there and spread the truth. Until next time, stay curious.